That's fish. Oh, that's a beaut. Nice trout right there on the dropper. 7 foot 3 weight. Oh, big one. Because it's gonna take me for a run. It's on 5X down there at the bottom, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Oh, that's a nice one. What a beaut. Oh, come on. Get in the net. Oh, so close. I got this rod almost doubled in half. It just keeps ditching my net. Alright, we're in. Woo! Man. What a fish. Berry bee. 7 foot. Man, what a beautiful fish. What a beaut. 12. About 7. So 16, 17. 12 and 7's 9. It's about 19 inches. 18, 19. Let's get over here in the calmer water, and we'll get a better look and release on this beautiful fish. Long and skinny. Oh man, what a fish.